1, 2, 3, start. Learned counsel for the petitioners of both the writ petitions submitted that Prabandh Sanchalak has not followed the para 2 of the election procedure given under the amended scheme of administration of the institution. As no notice was issued to any members and published in the newspaper after finalization of the list of members of the general body dated 11/4/2007. The Prabandh Sanchalak initially published a list of 1875 members and finally on 11/4/2007 published a list containing 2199 members. Therefore, it was incumbent upon him to issue notices to all such members after finalizing the list by both modes, that is, publication in newspaper and by ordinary post, which was not done, as a result of which out of 2199 members, only 1154 members participated in the election. The alleged manager Bhairav Prasad Tripathi, being acting headmaster of recognized junior high school managed by UP Basic Education Board, and one Ramakant Pandey, alleged elected member, who being assistant teacher in recognized Sarvajanik Inter College Gohka, Jaunpur, could not be office bearers in the Committee of Management in view of bar given in Chapter 3, Regulation 4 of UP Intermediate Education Act 1921. The Joint Director of Education fixed 4/6/2007, 28/6/2007 and 17/7/2007 date of hearing, but in none of the dates all the three members, namely Regional Committee comprising Joint Director of Education Varanasi Region, Varanasi Deputy Director of Education Varanasi Region, Varanasi, and the District Inspector of Schools Jaunpur were present and heard the petitioners. Therefore, the impugned order dated 23/8/2007 passed by the Regional Committee is ex parte and without providing opportunity of hearing to the petitioners. Shri P. S. Baghel, learned counsel appearing for the respondent university, submitted that it is wrong to say that the order has been passed without giving opportunity of hearing to the petitioners. He submitted that the membership of the Electoral College was finalized by the Prabandh Sanchalak after hearing the members of both the rival committees, and therefore it cannot be said that there is any error in the finalization of the membership. He submitted that record reveals that there was a proper publication of the membership in as much as the letters by ordinary post were sent to all the members as required under the scheme of administration. He further submitted that if any member has a grievance that he was prevented in participating in the election, the said grievance should be raised by the said member and not by anyone else. He submitted that the petitioners have participated in the election. Therefore, the objection with regard to the Electoral College is baseless and liable to be rejected. He further submitted that on the date fixed, the petitioners appeared and their signature are available on record and they were heard. The order is being signed by all the three members and therefore the allegation that all the three members were not present on the date fixed and the